Hi guys. So for language arts today, we are going to go over some of the concepts that I taught you guys last week with spelling. So last week you guys just practiced your spelling words, and this week we're going to talk about some other words that follow those same rules that aren't necessarily the ones on your spelling list. So let's take the word bake, for example. If I wanted to turn this into baked, what do I need to add on to the end? Normally, I would add on an ED, right? But take a look at the word bake. It already has an E there. So I don't need to add another E. That's ridiculous. That's too many E's. So I'm just going to write the word bake, and I'm just going to add the D. I don't need to add another E. What if I were to turn this into baking? We're going to drop the E and add ing, right? Because this word ends with an E, we have to get rid of it. So by E, so we're going to do B-A-K, drop the E and add ing, and there's baking. So now let's take a look at the word grab. If I were to turn that into grabbed, normally you would think, oh, I'll just add an ED. But if I add an ED to this, that E is going to make the A say its name. Ooh, so that would turn this into grabed. That's not a word. It's a weird sound. I don't know what that is. That's definitely not a word, though. So how am I going to block that E from being able to give A all the superpowers? I need to add another B in there, right? So I'm going to do G-R-A-B-B. I doubled that consonant. E-D. Now that is the word grabbed. Same thing when I want to add an ing. If I wanted to turn this into grabbing, I need to add another B again. So it'll be G-R-A-B-B-I-N-G, so that I doesn't make the A say its name. So you're going to practice that with, I'm going to write down the pages and then I'll show them to you. 152 and 154. So it gives you your base word. This is page 152. It gives you your base word over on this side with a little picture. And then there are three choices over next to it. So the word hop is going to try to turn into hopping, but there's two silly answers and one real answer. You have to circle the one that's correct. You'll do that for all of these. On page 154, you are going to pick the word that's correct and write it in the blank, okay? So it says the cowboy blank a cow. So is it ropped or roped? Which one makes more sense? Roped, right? So you're gonna put that in the blank, and you're gonna do that for all of these. All right, guys,